Hello, love bugs. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Tanisha Lyons Porter, owner of Natural Born Organizers, where we help our clients declutter and organize in the fraction of the time and frustration than it would take them to do it themselves. And I am the lead organizer at the company and the CEO. Welcome to my vlog here on YouTube. Please follow me on Instagram at Natural Born Organizers. And I also have a blog that I'm starting back up again, Confessions of a Professional Organizer, that I think you'll find some entertaining articles and some good insights as far as how to get and stay organized. So this vlog, I'm not really sure what the cadence is gonna be. I think I can do weekly. And it's just really gonna follow my life as a professional organizer, a mom, a wife, a sister, a mother, the daughter, a friend, and we'll just see what comes of it, right? So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side of my very first vlog. Welcome, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. The mountains are always so beautiful. We have the best of so many worlds in Southern California. So I'm at my client's and we are gonna work through her catch-all room and look through crafts and try and utilize the dresser drawers that she cleared out as storage for her crafts. So now I'm going in to my car and getting some boxes so that we can sort, because she has a lot of miscellaneous craft boxes. So stay tuned. So this is typically what happens. I come home from a session and I unload my car and put it in the area in my garage that I have designated for donations. And I have a donation pickup scheduled for June 1st. I just had a pickup yesterday, and then the cycle is just rinse and repeat. Unpack my car with me. Why don't you? It's like a clown car, huh? How much is she gonna get? Pull out of there. Car unpacked with the donations. Gotta get ready for Cole's prom. That's on Saturday, so I'm probably gonna do a little bit of cleaning in the house, and then I have a client session tomorrow in the garage. So tomorrow morning, I don't feel like going tonight, and plus traffic on Main Street was kind of bad. So I'm just gonna go to Home Depot in the morning at 8 and pick up some bins for her garage, and then head over to the client for 9 o'clock. I have a junk hauler, junk luggers that's meeting me there, and I also have a task rabbit that's meeting me there to put together some racks. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy morning. I'll see you then. So this is the last session for this garage. It wasn't bad at all. I'll show you the before picture right there. But all of this is sorted items. And I have 2 more racks that are gonna go up. all of this is going away today. All of that is going away today. So this wall will be clear. And I will show you what happens. I bought these bins. So I'm going to transfer everything that's in cardboard boxes into bins and make it look pretty. Talk to you later. Yeah, I need to do some last minute things for Cole's prom. But yeah, I am. Back home from that garage project. I was able to get it done a lot quicker since I had my team member Sharice come. So now, what am I doing? Unpacking my car with donations and hazardous waste that I need to process out. Come unpack my car with me. And I'm done. Now, I got 2 meetings. And then I may have to run to the mall for prom. I need to put up something on our windows. So, do I want to do double rods? Do I want to do single rods? I don't know. See, this is why I still have temporary blinds on my windows, because I can't decide. All right, so as you can see, I'm at Sprouts. I need to pick up some fresh stuff. I decided to come to Sprouts because the parking lot seemed less busy. Looks like it's about to rain. So I'm about to get in and get out. Hello. I hope you enjoyed my first vlog. As you can see, it was a pretty busy week, and this week is pretty busy as well. On the next vlog, I will be sharing some pictures and videos from my son's prom champagne party, and I have a couple of walkthroughs, client walkthroughs to do. And of course, there's going to be I'm sure there's going to be at least one unpack my car with me. And yeah, we'll see what else comes about. Hopefully I'll get a few exercise activities in and some meal prepping, which means grocery shopping. Look at this. I am all disheveled and such. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Please, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and look at my blog, and I will see you soon. All right? Talk to you soon. Bye.